Hi, this is example number 5. In this one, it is given that activity of polonium. So, mass of the polonium is given as 210 grams, atomic number 84. Half-life is given as 138 days, and activity is given as 5 millicurie. We are supposed to find what is the mass of sample. So, first data that is given is half-life. So, I'm going to use that. Half-life is 0.693 divided by lambda. So from here we can calculate the value of lambda decay constant as 0.963 divided by half-life. Now half-life is given in 2 days. So we have to convert into seconds. So in one day, 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So now we have to calculate the value of lambda from here. And it will come as 0.581 into 10 raised to power minus 17 second inverse. So that is our value of lambda we have got. Okay. Next is activity is given in Curie. So activity is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Curie. Okay. So we have to convert it in SI unit also. So for that you have to multiply it with 3.7 into 10 raised to power 10. So this will give you activity. So activity and lambda we have been given. We can find the number of nuclei or number of atoms present in the sample using the relation activity is equals to lambda times n is number of nuclei. So 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 3.7 into 10 raised to power 10 is equals to lambda value minus 17 into n. Now on solving this equation, you will get the value of lambda, the value of n as 31.84 into 10 raised to power 14. So this is the total number of atoms present in the sample. We need to calculate mass of sample. Now we know that number of atoms is this one. So how many moles will be there? Moles of polonium will be number of atoms present divided by Avogadro's number. So this will give us number of moles present. Okay. And how you find the mass of the sample? You have to multiply with atomic mass of this one. So into 210 grams. So to convert gram into kg, you have to multiply with 10 raised to power minus 3. So on solving this one, you will get mass as 1.11 into 10 raised to power minus 9 kg. So that will be our answer. Let's move to the next one. The half-life is given as 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 10 raised to power 9 years. What is the activity of the sample? So same process we have to do. Half-life is given. We'll calculate lambda. Lambda will be 0.693 divided by half-life. Since it is in year, we have to convert year into seconds. So 365 days into 24 into 3600 seconds. So on calculating this, you will get the value of lambda as 0.488 into 10 raised to power minus 17 second inverse. Okay. Activity of 1 gram of sample. So in 1 gram, how many moles will be there of uranium? 1 divided by 238 moles will be there. In 1 mole, any number of atoms are there. So total number of atoms will be this much. This will give us total number of atoms. And we know that activity is product of lambda into n. So we have to multiply these two terms. On solving this, you will get 0.025 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay. So lambda value is 0.488 into 10 raised to power minus 17. N value we have found as 0.025 into 10 raised to power 23. So from here you will get activity as 1.22 into 10 raised to power 4 becquerel. Okay, thank you.